If you want smoother, stress-free scheduling, you've come to the right place. Here are 4 essential tips for using Calendly and Zoom together. Number 1, make sure your Calendly and Zoom accounts are actually connected. Head to the Integrations and Apps tab within Calendly, search for and select Zoom, and click Connect. You'll have to authorize your account. It should only take a minute. And note, if you don't actually have a Calendly or a Zoom account yet, go create those for free and then come back to this video for more tips. Number 2, set Zoom as the default location for specific meeting types, like a discovery call, an interview, or a demo. If we select discovery call and then we head to the location field, here I can select Zoom and hit save. Now, anytime someone books a discovery call, they'll get an automatically generated Zoom link directly in that calendar invite. No manual copy pasting required. Number 3, if you are hosting large-scale, one-time Zoom events or Zoom webinars, go ahead and create those links in Zoom first, and then come back to Calendly and use the custom location field. You'll find this under Other Options, Custom, and here's where you would paste that link and then save. Keep in mind, with this type of event, you're likely going to want to use a group event or meeting type, and you're going to want to limit that availability to exactly when the event is happening. Okay. Number 4, use automated meeting reminders. If you head to More Options and then you click on Notifications and Workflows, let's set up an email reminder as an example. If you make sure that this location variable is included in your email reminder, not only is your invitee getting a little nudge to join, they're also getting that Zoom link directly pulled into this email, perfect for you to minimize no-shows. And that's it. That's 4 ways that you can make sure Calendly and Zoom is your perfect meeting duo. If you have questions or ideas on how to use these tools together, I want to hear about them in the comments. Otherwise, happy scheduling.